Okay, Mike, explain what you're doing now.
I'm going to take this tape and I put it down to the bottom here. I'm going to breathe on that. Sucked it right up in my throat. I'm going to take this other piece, put it on the top of that piece, try to keep it as level as I can.
Because you're going to cut that off, right?
I don't want to overlap that. I can't see under there. I'm not a contortionist.
Okay, what we want to do, what we're doing here, guys, is we are going to get rid of this. This is the old drain for the old shower. So we're getting rid of the old drain. We're going to cut it off. And we're going to use the piping here if we don't break it. And the water, the trap, the old trap, we're going to use that.
Just as long as it's straight across where this would set into it and be as from here to here as far as you can get it anyway. It doesn't matter where you cut it. This is as deep as you're going to get.
So we want to cut it a little long right now so we can do some.
That'd be right about there. Right about to the top of this. So it'd be up here, right in the middle of this pipe thing.
Middle of what? The board?
Right up around here. That's where that's going to go. If you cut it right here. Okay, we got. Want to hold that? Pretty fast. I grabbed the wrong one. Pretty straight.
That's pretty good. That's good. Now,
And we just have to do it
put
again.
that piece. Just put that piece on there and see what.
It's going to be about halfway. More than half. It's way up here. So that's too high. Needs to go down.
Is it way up? It looks like it's good. Wait a minute. Put it in there again. What do you mean it's too high?
Well, it's right in the middle of this. It's right up here by this board.
Oh, the pipe won't fit in there?
No, that's what I'm saying. You want more of an angle than that. You want it to.
Did you have it down all the way? There was tape and everything.
It's only going to go
Goes quite a ways.
from there to there. So it'd be there.
Put it on there again. Put it on there. Take the tape off maybe.
Get some sandpaper and paper it off.
Water because it's been so long.
There.
Yeah, we're just now cut a piece that will go over here. Go a little longer if we want, because if we need to trim it off, we'll do it. Yeah, a little long. Just go a little long.
All right, 16 inches. In.
Yeah. Yep.
So here. There. Now, to cut it straight. So we cut this kind of long, so we know that we're not going to do things too short. But anyway, this goes in here. We'll just go ahead and put it in there. Have a piece over here. Probably like that.
Here, let me show you what I'm thinking. Do this, something like this. Then we got to go something like this to straighten it out. So put a little piece right there. Like enough to hook that to and this to. We haven't got our Vim walk-in shower piece yet, so cutting everything a little long. That's what our goal is, to cut it a little long and then adjust when it all gets here.
I'm just saying that's
Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm thinking. Now, get a piece that goes over that way. Too long is what I'm thinking.
too longs don't make it right.
How far does that one go? Just like that.
Too long.
How long is too long and just have it hanging out there too long?
Probably right
To where
in
you
there.
think? Well, make sure it's plenty long.
Well, here.
We'll go to 2.5 because
I couldn't even. All right, 2.5.
we'll be fine with that. Just keep it there and I'll spin it. Cutting everything a little long to just get it done right. Now, to have a good drain, it has to be 1/4 inch for every foot, and then that'll drain. I think we got that licked. Alright. This is basically what we're looking at. We're going to get our pad in here. We don't have it yet, so we made everything long. This will be more over here, and that will be more over in this area right here. So we got the basic look of it. And then the pan will be here, and then the little pipe coming up here. So we should be okay. And it hooks over there on that. We can cut that piece for that. And plug that hole, get that ready. And then over there, that'll be pretty easy.
Yeah.
Straight shot pretty much. Yep. And as long as you have 1/4 inch slope for every foot, the water flows good. So we'll be over here. So this will even be up higher. So it should work fine. Okay. Like that. This ain't exactly, everything's too long, but this is basically what we're looking at. Hooked it into our splitter or Y here, and then it turn and up. It's up a little bit, going at an angle. Where's your tape measure? Well, it's right at the top there, pretty much. So it's just from the pipe. It's let's say 3/4 of an inch. Down here, plenty, huh? 3 inches. So that's a good slope, right? I could go down a lot further. Still good. Two and a half almost. What was this, 3?
Not anymore. I think it went up.
3 and or 2 3/4. So that would be enough right there, just like that. We'll be good. We'll be really good. We'll be really good. What are you gonna do?
Cut the pipe for the cap. I'm just gonna cut it 3 inches. That all in our way?
Well, you're gonna glue it on there.
Shit. So if I get that off of there.
Yeah, you pounded it on there. Here, Mike. Hey!
What?
Listen to me. Will that go over that pipe?
No.
No. Oh, way back there?
No, it's just really close.
That's funny.
That'll leave at 3 inches, an inch. That's 3/4 of an inch probably. So I better go 3.5 inches. We'll just cut into it. What do I do with that?
You're gonna take that off again.
Yeah. Maybe.
Just there you
That'll
go.
be fine.
Yeah, you're just not.
And then the other piece, we'll just take care of that other piece. That'll be a good angle. So
That would be easy.
This kind of needs to go that way a little bit.
Well, you can always turn it too. You know, you got these little pieces.
Okay.
So that's good for now.
Yeah.
Jack keeps the Ferris wheel spinning like the loose wheel in his mind. Always seems a little nervous, a little bit behind, and he can't afford the good weed nothing saved, he's spinning up on alcohol and $3 pull tabs. Bad luck, bad vibes. Long days, long lines, but the carny will get by. It's so hard to make a living when you barely can survive. Hustling rubes out on the midway under the flashing neon lights. Long days, long lines, but the carny will get by. Well, he's off the grid and off his meds, trying to choose between blue or red. He took a heavy dose